What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video we're gonna get the tranny back in the beast, so let's go. Just to bring everybody up to speed, the last time we took out the beast to the track, the tranny was slipping like crazy. The clutches were basically smoked, especially high gear. So it's all been rebuilt. Everything inside is brand new, good to go. I'm heading to PSP to get the tranny popped back in. I also have some slicks there. At least I think they've come in, so we're gonna throw on some slicks on the car as well. Oil change, just a few little prep items that we gotta take care of before our next outing, and we're targeting that date for October 14th. See you guys when I get down to PSP. All right, so we made it safely down. We've already unloaded the car and pushed it into the shop. Just bringing over the converter, and that's it. We're gonna start getting the tranny back in.
Okay, shift second, third. That's good. Second, first, neutral, reverse, park, take it out of park. Okay, put it in park. All right, that's good. I just got a color pin.
If I had your money, Paul, I'd burn mine.
It wouldn't be much of a fire. I mean, with my money, well, maybe yours. Yeah. Maybe with yours you can have a fire.
Oh yeah.
Mine. My money would just be to light up your fire.
Yeah. Pre-ignition. You've been in this shop what now?
Since 93.
93.
My brother and I moved in here in 93.
Yeah, I remember. Almost, yeah, so next year 30 years, eh? That's crazy.
Well, I've been on my own since 03.
Right.
Yeah, it's gonna take more. No. Yeah, it can start. We got 20 pounds. Yeah, just close that door, right?
one more lap and then I'll check the food and come back again.
This video. Tranny got popped back in, new tranny fluid, everything feels good. I drove it around the complex a few times, but of course the true test will be on the track, so looking forward to that. We changed the oil on the car, went a pinch thinner as the temps are getting a little cooler out this way. And checked all the other fluids, everything seems good, so we're good to go. The slicks didn't come in, so we didn't swap the tires out. I'll have to come back to that. Other than that, that's about it. The beast is ready to go for our last outing of the year. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and the little bit of a couple of the updates here. You know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here